Hello and welcome to our video on 20 tips for making money with dropshipping. Dropshipping is a popular e-commerce business model that allows you to sell products without having to hold any inventory. In this video, we will be sharing some insider tips and strategies that will help you succeed with your dropshipping business. Please remember to like and subscribe for more tips on how to make money. Make sure to stay until the end to hear an exciting bonus fact. Tip number 1, choose a niche that you're passionate about. One of the keys to success in any business is to choose a niche that you're passionate about. When you're passionate about what you're selling, it's easier to put in the time and effort needed to make your business a success. If you're not sure what niche to choose, start by thinking about your hobbies, interests, and passions. What do you enjoy talking about or learning more about? Choose a niche that aligns with your interests and you'll be more motivated to succeed. Tip number 2, find a reliable supplier. When it comes to dropshipping, finding a reliable supplier is absolutely essential. Your supplier is responsible for fulfilling orders, so it's important to choose a company that has a good track record of delivering orders on time and in good condition. Research different suppliers and look for reviews and ratings from other dropshippers. You should also consider factors like the cost of the products, the shipping times, and the returns policy. Tip number 3, use high-quality product images. In the world of e-commerce, the first thing that potential customers see is the product image. That's why it's so important to use high-quality product images on your website. Not only do they make your products look more appealing, but they also help to build trust with your customers. If you're using low-quality images, it can make your business look unprofessional and untrustworthy. So, make sure to use high-quality product images to showcase your products in the best possible light. Tip number 4, offer competitive prices. Price is always a key factor for customers when they're shopping online. If you want to make money with dropshipping, you'll need to offer competitive prices for your products. This means doing your research and finding out what other businesses in your niche are charging for similar products. You don't want to be too high or too low, aim for a price that's competitive and allows you to make a profit. Tip number 5, use social media to promote your business. Social media is a powerful marketing tool for any e-commerce business, and dropshipping is no exception. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to promote your products and engage with your customers. Share high-quality product images, offer special deals and discounts, and interact with your followers to build a loyal customer base. Tip number 6, start a blog to attract traffic. In addition to social media, another effective way to promote your dropshipping business is to start a blog. A blog can help you attract traffic to your website, and it's also a great way to share valuable content with your customers. For example, you could write product reviews, tutorials, or industry news. This will not only help to drive traffic to your site, but it will also establish you as an authority in your niche. Tip number 7, use email marketing to stay in touch with customers. Email marketing is another effective way to promote your dropshipping business and stay in touch with your customers. By collecting email addresses from customers who have made a purchase or signed up for your newsletter, you can send targeted emails with special offers, product recommendations, or other relevant content. Just make sure to follow best practices for email marketing, such as obtaining consent before sending emails and offering an easy way for recipients to unsubscribe. Tip number 8, invest in paid advertising. While organic marketing strategies like social media and blogging are important, paid advertising can also be a powerful way to promote your dropshipping business. By investing in paid ads, you can reach a larger audience and target specific demographics. There are many different platforms and options for paid advertising, such as Google Ads, Facebook ads, and Instagram ads. Just make sure to set clear goals and track your results to ensure that your advertising efforts are paying off. Tip number 9, offer excellent customer service. In the world of e-commerce, excellent customer service is essential for building trust and loyalty with your customers. Make sure to respond to customer inquiries and complaints promptly, and always go the extra mile to make sure your customers are satisfied. You could also consider offering additional perks like free shipping, free returns, or a loyalty program to set your business apart from the competition. Tip number 10, utilize SEO to boost your website's visibility. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results. This is important because higher ranking websites are more likely to attract organic traffic, which can lead to more sales. There are many different factors that contribute to a website's SEO, such as keyword usage, high-quality content, and website speed. By investing in SEO, you can improve your website's visibility and attract more customers to your business. Tip number 11, use Google Analytics to track your performance. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that allows you to track and analyze the performance of your website. With Google Analytics, you can see how much traffic your website is getting, where it's coming from, and what actions visitors are taking on your site. This information is invaluable for understanding how your dropshipping business is performing and where you can make improvements. Tip number 12, test different marketing strategies. Marketing is all about experimentation. It's important to try out different strategies and see what works best for your business. This could involve testing different paid advertising platforms, experimenting with different social media tactics, or trying out different types of content on your blog. By testing different strategies, you can find out what works best for your business and focus your efforts on the most effective tactics. Tip number 13, use a reputable shopping cart solution. When it comes to setting up your e-commerce website, it's important to choose a reputable shopping cart solution. A shopping cart is the software that powers your website's checkout process, and it's crucial to choose one that is reliable and secure. There are many different shopping cart solutions available, ranging from free options like WooCommerce to paid solutions like Shopify. Research your options and choose a solution that meets your needs and budget. Tip number 14, keep your website up to date. In the world of e-commerce, it's important to keep your website up to date. This means regularly updating your product listings, adding new content to your blog, and making sure all of your links are working properly. By keeping your website fresh and relevant, you'll be more likely to attract and retain customers. Tip number 15, use customer reviews to your advantage. Customer reviews are a powerful marketing tool for any e-commerce business. By displaying positive reviews on your website, you can build trust with potential customers and show them that your products are high quality. Encourage your customers to leave reviews by offering incentives like discounts or free products. Tip number 16, take advantage of holiday promotions. Holidays are a great time to promote your dropshipping business and drive sales. Consider offering special deals or promotions for holidays like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and Christmas. This can help to boost your sales and attract new customers to your business. Just make sure to plan ahead and give yourself enough time to prepare for the holiday rush. Tip number 17, use affiliate marketing to expand your reach. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn a commission by promoting other people's products. By joining an affiliate program and promoting products on your website or social media channels, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. This can be a great way to expand your reach and generate additional income for your dropshipping business. Tip number 18, collaborate with other businesses or influencers. Another way to promote your dropshipping business is to collaborate with other businesses or influencers in your niche. This could involve partnering with other companies to cross-promote each other's products, or working with influencers to promote your products to their followers. Collaborations can help to expose your business to a new audience and drive more sales. Tip number 19, consider expanding to other sales channels. In addition to your own website, there are many other sales channels you can use to sell your dropshipping products. For example, you could sell on marketplaces like Amazon or eBay, or use a platform like Shopify to set up your own online store. Expanding to other sales channels can help to diversify your income streams and reach a wider audience. Tip number 20, stay up to date on industry trends. Finally, one of the keys to success in any business is to stay up to date on industry trends. This is especially important in the fast-paced world of e-commerce. Keep an eye on what's happening in your niche, and be open to trying new strategies and technologies as they emerge. This will help you stay ahead of the competition and keep your business growing. We hope these 20 tips have been helpful for you in your journey to make money with dropshipping. Remember to choose a niche you're passionate about, find a reliable supplier, use high-quality product images, offer competitive prices, and utilize a variety of marketing strategies to promote your business. And don't forget to stay up to date on industry trends and keep learning to ensure your continued success. Bonus fact: Did you know that dropshipping was first popularized in the early 2000s by companies like Alibaba, who were among the first to offer online marketplaces for small businesses to source products from suppliers around the world? Today, dropshipping is a popular business model for e-commerce entrepreneurs all over the globe.